Good morning, it is Clay from ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video. It is 9:21 a.m. Eastern time, so still have some time before the market opens. Looking at plug here, all sorts of pre-market volume down 44 cents, and when you're considering it's a sub $10 stock, that's quite a big gap down. So we'll see what happens with that. It is Friday, and I've had a nice week, so I'm going to trade, but I'm not going to be too aggressive or anything like that. I don't want to ruin my weekend by doing something stupid and giving a lot back. So if I do make trades, I will be here to try to catch them here in the first opening session of the market. Okay, I have an order in a short, some Facebook here at 59.75. See if it can get up there. Actually gonna cancel that order. Just getting a bad vibe from it. I think I can get a better entry point. Big order just popped in there at what is that? 68, right there, the 146. So there are some sellers in there right now, and who knows? Maybe it won't even get up. But the way it's acting, it's looking like if it does pop, it's gonna go above 75, which I could get a better entry, as you're seeing right here. And I would have still been okay with a 75 entry. But all right, well, I'm not going to sit here and let the video drag on. I will keep you posted. Have an order in a short here at 59.75. We'll see if it can get up there or not. I'm being very picky about my locations today. Like I said, it's Friday. I've had a good week, so I don't want to just do anything stupid, rush into anything. So we'll see if it can get up there. If it gets back into the 60s, I'll get the recording rolling again, and we'll see if I can catch the fill. Okay, I've adjusted my order down now to 55. Look to cover at 50. So if it looks like 50 is going to break, I will get the recording going again. Looking to get filled here at 85. I did cancel the 55 order just because it took too long to develop the way I wanted it to, and you can see that turned out to be a good choice on my part. But it's also now looking like one of those mornings where even when I'm getting a little bit more aggressive with my entries, I'm just not getting filled on anything. So not quite as exciting as yesterday. Yesterday, by this time, I was already up over $500. Today, zero. So, but then again, let's keep things in context. Facebook did have earnings, so that's what made yesterday very up and down. But I'll try to catch something here. Okay, I have an order in here to buy Twitter at 43.15. I'm in. Oh. And out. Okay, that was, did I nail the bottom there? I did. 43.15 nailed the bottom. That's why I was able to basically make 60 bucks as soon as I pressed the sell button. So a quick 60 bucks and I don't know, what, a second and a half. I'm going to keep on trying to play this one. All right, well, I'm just going to wrap things up. It's 10:35 a.m. Not to give you my life story, but just to provide some more context of kind of the life of, somebody that trades full-time and works from home. My parents are coming in town from out of town, and the one downside to working at home is sometimes you have to help clean up the house. So that's what I'm gonna have to go do, spend some time cleaning the house, have some stuff with the blog going on too that I want to focus on. So it's just one of those things where I haven't really been focused, and when you compile those things on with what I've already told you about, it's being Friday, I've had a good week. The motivation isn't there, the focus isn't there. And if anything, I nailed that bottom here on Twitter, and I got my 60 bucks. So I think I'm just going to wrap it up. Maybe I'll trade a little bit more, but there's just too much other things going on. So I'm going to go clean some of the house and have fun with that. But if you're interested in learning how to use charts, not necessarily to day trade like I am, charts can be used for swing trading. They can be used for options, forex, all that good stuff. They just do measure emotions, and that's what everything is all about. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can go to my blog, ClayTrader.com, and visit my course store. I have multiple courses there, or you can click on the links below. Also, I have a trading group where you can hang out with me and others and live chat room. I also have a weekly newsletter that I send out. So check that stuff out. Very cost effective, especially when you compare it to the other services out there. So give that stuff a look and hopefully decide to sign up. If anything, read some testimonials. So thanks for listening to me this week. Fun week. And I will be back next week, but hopefully you learned something. And as always, shoot me a question if you have any. And check out some of the courses and maybe even sign up for the trading group. Thanks and have a great weekend.